Well, welcome to another video. We're camping in the 6-wheel drive, a Land Rover printing ambulance. And repairs start first thing in the morning. I went to open this today and the body waste hatch and the pin came off it. Just like that. It's fallen off. So we're going to fix it. Now, if I'm lucky, and mostly because I don't fit between these areas, this will just be a piece of lock wire or tie wire that will fix this. Let's have a look here. This is going to go through that pin there. Oh, geez, I'm glad that bit didn't fall out. Okay, can we reinsert? That might work. Let's see how we go. Part of the trick here is getting everything to sit in position properly. Alright, with a bit of illumination we worked out that there's actually a hole behind that, and that's meant to operate the latch like so. That works better. So we're going to shove a piece of wire through and bend it over. So this piece of wire here, we may find some grease and lubricate that too at some point. Let's see, can we get this to get bent like so? We're going to chop this one. This is difficult at this angle. I don't have the same access and range of movement that I normally do. Trim you off, and we will bend you up as well like that. That should, for the short term, function. It'll get us home. So now we can do that. We can unlock and then pull up. It's the main thing. We'll push some of the dust and dirt out of the way. Very important when I want to wash the floor, all the water drains out here. So this was a quick one. We're lucky. I'll see you in another longer one that probably is more complex and frustrating. Anyway, hope you had fun.